spine column, your shoulders, your right hand, your left hand. Focus on your throat, neck. Focus on the whole part of your face and your head, and whole your body is completely relaxed and free from any tension and stiffness. Completely relaxed at your bed. Hi. Today I'm recording this ASMR for you to feel all your body calm and relaxed. I can remember days and nights in my life about 2 or 3 years ago that I was filled with cortisol and tension and stiffness. I couldn't sleep for many nights, and it was very hard. I tried this guided meditation for relaxation and calmness, so today I'm going to do this ASMR for you, and I promise you that you will feel all your body, completely relaxed, like you're floating on your bed. That would be very joyful. And for the beginning, I need you to go back to your bed. Lie down on your back at your bed. Okay. You went. Good. Now I want you to close your eyes and put your hands at your sides. Take your hair and put them on the pillow. Now I want you to start from your right leg. Start from the foot. Think about your thumb finger of your right foot, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, and the little finger. Think about the sole of your right foot. Think about the front of your right foot, the ankle. And breathe with me. With every inhale, your right foot expands a little bit and swells, and with every exhale it comes back to its natural state. This swelling and then coming back to its natural form make your right foot to get relieved from all tensions and stiffness. Now I want you to front thigh and the back thigh. Now think about your whole right leg. With every inhale and exhale, your right leg swells a little bit. And with every exhale, it comes back to its natural state. I want you to shift your focus to your left leg. We start from your foot, your left foot. Your first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and the little finger. The sole of your left foot, the front of your left foot, the ankle of your left foot. The calves and shin of your left leg, the thigh, front and back of your left leg. With every breath, with every inhale and exhale, your left leg swells a little bit and then returns to its natural state. This process makes your left leg relaxed and relieved from any tension and stiffness. Okay? You're breathing, right? Good. Now I want you to move your focus upward. Shift your focus to your pelvic area. Pelvic area. Your right pelvis, your left pelvis. The whole abdomen. Focus on this area. And with every inhale and exhale, you can see, you can feel, you can see that this area is swelling a little bit and then returning to its natural state with the exhale. And this process makes it free from any tension and stiffness. Completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. 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 Your right leg, your left leg, the whole pelvic area is completely relaxed and free from any tension and stiffness. Maybe you're getting ready for a restorative sleep. Now I want you to shift your focus upward. Think about your spine column and the muscles around your spine column. Move your focus upward. Think about your chest. Think about your back, your shoulders, and the muscles around your spine column. With every inhale and exhale, with every valuable breath you take in, this area floats on your bed, completely relaxed and free from index finger, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your little finger, your paw, your hand, your wrist, your arms, and the shoulders of your right hand. With every breath, your right hand swells a little bit, and with every exhale, it returns to its natural state. This visual swelling and returning to natural state makes your right hand completely relaxed and free from any tension and stiffness at your side. Now, let's do this for your left hand. Left hand is ready for relaxation. Ready for relaxation. Your left hand, your thumb, your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, your paw, your wrist, your hand, your arms, and your shoulder. With every inhale and exhale, your left hand becomes free of all tension and stiffness. Completely relaxed, happy, and kind of floating on your bed. Now, think about your throat, your neck. Think about your jaws, your chin. Think about your lips, your teeth, your tongue. Think about your cheeks, your nose, your right eye, your left eye. Think about your right eyebrow, your left eyebrow. Think about your forehead, the whole scalp area, the whole scalp area. And imagine with every inhale and exhale, the whole part of your face and head becomes completely relaxed and free from any tension and stiffness. All stiffness are going away. Your face and your head, your neck and your throat swells a little bit and then return to their natural state with the exhale. Now your whole body is ready. Your whole body is ready. I want you to focus on your whole body. Focus on your right leg, on your left leg. Focus on the pelvic area, your whole abdomen, your chest, your You can feel warmth. You can feel the warmth. Now I want you to put your palm